Hi, my name is Gustavo Saientz. I'm CEO at Resultix, a digital marketing agency specialized in search marketing and web analytics. I will be giving a workshop at Web Congress Miami about search marketing strategies to target Latin America, including both pay-per-click advertising and search engine optimization. Some of the topics we are going to cover on the workshop are what's the opportunity in Latin America for search engine marketing. We are also going to learn how to build and optimize an effective regional campaign and check out some interesting tools to do the keyword research for different countries along the region. We are also going to talk about the new Google algorithm, Google Hummingbird, and see how you need to adapt your current SEO strategy to this new reality. I hope to see you there very soon.